a seagull in flight, bend your arms at the elbows and flap your wings up and down through the water and toward your body. Legs flutter kick in a short and quick motion to keep your heart rate up. Soar with the seagull, conditioning your hip flexors and gluteals for improved walking. Remember, in all your One with Nature exercises, keep your joints slightly flexed to safely stabilize them against the water's resistance. Feather stars walk with their feathery arms fanned out in a lovely display of color and motion. Walk across the pool with your arms and legs bent. Hands are softly fisted and pushing through the water. Walk slowly, then increase your speed. Enjoy jogging in place or across the pool. Stay in the vertical position. Ears, shoulders, and hips should be in a vertical line. Your limbs reach as far back as forward in this balanced aerobic exercise. Remember to breathe rhythmically throughout your One with Nature aerobic exercises. Long or short, the sea urchin's spines push and pull on the ocean's floor. These powerful, long lever moves push and pull volumes of water, targeting both your aerobic and muscular conditioning. Keep your shoulders over your hips and your abdominals tight. When your feet are on the floor of the pool, this move resembles a long stride. When you are completely buoyant, your arms and legs become the mobile spines that protect and propel this delicate, free-living creature. Begin the fan worm exercise with arms to the side and legs together. Open and close your arms and legs in opposite directions. The fan worm, with its feathery tentacles, sweeps the water for food. When disturbed, it withdraws into its tube. You will also apply equal force to the closing or adductor move and the opening or abductor move. Keep breathing as you open and close with the fan worm. legs around an imaginary seaweed and hitch a ride with a seahorse. You will be strengthening your abdominal muscles as you swim along with the seahorse. Extended arms power down along the side of your body, propelling you forward. Contract your abdominal muscles to stabilize your move. Your knees stay high and are working like a hinge, and your hamstrings are working hard as you pull your heels back toward your gluteals. It's important to stay in an upright position with your hips under your shoulders. Like a ruffled leaf, the colorful and vibrant Spanish dancer dances gracefully through the depths of the ocean. Work your oblique muscles as you twist from side to side. Arms and legs sway in opposition to one another. Be sure to rotate in a slow and controlled motion. The crisscrossing action of your legs balances this move by working your trunk stabilizers. Keep your abdominals tight, and remember, everyone's range of motion will be different. In the shallow or in the deep, have fun with this move and vary the movement as you dance to the One with Nature tunes.
After you've become familiar with GADA's One with Nature exercises, you can either increase or decrease the intensity, adjusting to your own personal fitness level and comfort.
Increase lever length and intensity by increasing the size or range of motion of your movement. Decrease resistance and intensity by using a smaller size or range of motion. Extend your elbows and your knees to increase lever length and intensity. Flex your elbows and knees to decrease resistance and intensity.
You can also change the surface area.
Cup your hands to increase surface area and resistance. Open your hands to decrease the surface area and intensity. Point your feet for more resistance and surface area. Flex your feet to decrease the surface area and intensity. Stay in place for low intensity, or travel the move to increase the resistance and intensity. Finally, start with a slow move, then increase the speed of your movement to increase the resistance and intensity. Remember, the focus of each movement should be to use a full range of motion with a gradual increase of speed, lever length, and intensity. Change your alignment position from vertical to horizontal and get ready for your horizontal full body workout. Barnacles stretch out their slender arms, sweeping through the water for food. With feet together and knees out to the sides, bend your legs, pulling the heels toward your body. Power your legs straight back to starting position. Keep your abdominals tight to stabilize your body throughout the movement. Your hands keep sculling for balance. Relax your neck and keep it in a neutral position. This exercise will strengthen your abdominal and inner thigh muscles. Enjoy as you sweep through the water with the barnacle. Assume the symmetrical shape of the starfish. Extend arms and legs from the sides and slowly push and pull through the water. As you imitate the resilient starfish, you'll move through your own full range of motion. Increase the resistance for your upper body by cupping your hands. Make sure to cross your arms to work your chest muscles. Power through the water with straight legs for maximum benefits to your inner and outer thighs. Never give up. Remember, when a starfish is torn in two, each half will grow into a new one, and you are almost halfway through your workout. Birds can swim and the fish can fly. When one with nature, so can I. Like the flying fish, your arms will backstroke, gliding over the surface of the water. Flutter kick your legs to keep your heart rate up. This exercise increases flexibility in your shoulder joints and strengthens your upper back. The flying fish is a great exercise for the swimmer in all of us. For the next 3 moves, take time to adjust your belt to the front with the buckle to the back. Varying in size and color, the lobster crawls on rock and coral bottoms in bays and on ocean beds. Explore the coral beds with the lobster by using a simple crawling motion. Reach forward and bring alternating knees up high toward your chest. Keep your abdominals tight and your neck relaxed and in a neutral position. Start with a slow move, then gradually increase the speed. For maximum benefit to your gluteus maximus, push back powerfully, extending your legs. Be sure you maintain proper body alignment as you crawl with the lobster. A strong swimmer, the sea turtle gracefully roams the ocean's depth. Like the paddle-shaped flippers of the sea turtle, scull with your cupped hands. Your arms are bent at the elbows and are directly below your shoulders. Keep your abdominals tight as you strengthen your pectoral, deltoid, and latissimus dorsi muscles. Your legs will flutter kick to propel you through the water. Remember, in One with Nature you can vary the movement according to your own imagination and expression. This variation simulates the movement of the sea turtle as it crawls on the ocean floor. Alone or in schools, these wonders of design ripple and glide through the shallow and deep waters. On your side, and like the colorful and agile fish of the ocean, ripple through the water by paddling with your bent arms and legs. Move your arms in a circular motion to strengthen your forearm, biceps, and triceps muscles. The constant paddling with your legs strengthens your knee flexors and extensors and keeps your body warm. Now vary the movement. With a side stroke, glide like the angelfish across the pool. Bring your arms together and stretch them out to the side. Your legs kick as you glide through. Discover new horizons as you feel the freedom and energy of moving in water. Don't forget to breathe rhythmically all throughout the One with Nature aerobic exercise program. For the next set of exercises, readjust your belt to the back with a buckle to the front. Get ready to experience the natural way to improve your posture and trunk strength. Now change your alignment position from horizontal to sitting and reclining. The octopus, with no outer shell, has great freedom to move around the inner reaches of the ocean's floor. Reach out and enjoy the freedom of movement with the eight-legged octopus. In the sitting position, ears, shoulders, and hips aligned, reach with your arms across to the opposite knee, or reach for the same knee. For another variation, use the same motion, but reach with your arms and legs to the front. Focus on the hamstrings as you pull your heel to your buttock. Finally, reverse the emphasis from pulling the heel in to kicking the foot out to work the quadriceps. This is a fun way to strengthen the knee extensors that help keep the knees stable. Hands are pushing the water away, and like the octopus, you're moving backwards. Live like the pulsing heart of the sea, the jellyfish swims by quickly opening and closing its body. Push your straight arms down and then from the sides, pull them forward in a powerful sweeping motion. With abdominals tight and knees together, thrust your legs forward. Your arms and legs are working together, opening and closing. This is an excellent exercise for your upper body and abdominals. Enjoy staying afloat as you open and close with the jellyfish, and with the stars, make a wish. The moray eel, an elusive hunter, hides in crannies and among corals and crevices. The moray eel will dart out its head, then twist and turn to snap at any food in its path. With knees to the side, pull your legs toward your chest, then extend them to the front. Your arms are sculling for balance and abdominals are tight for stability. Turn your knees to the other side and repeat the movement to strengthen your obliques. Pointed feet will give you more surface area to propel yourself. Vary the movement by alternating from side to side. Strengthening the abdominals while in rotation is beneficial, since that is how we lift, carry, and move every day. Remember, your belt is a flotation belt and not a life-saving device. Its buoyancy is not sufficient to float any person in any position. The squid, adapted for fast swimming, darts backwards in the twinkling skies of the seas. Like the active squid and using a backward seated breaststroke, move backwards across the pool. You will start with bent arms and legs open to the sides. Then curl your shoulders, bringing arms and legs to the front. Your arms and legs will be moving together, opening and closing.